So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I will teach you how to create night forest scene with using cycle render. So guys, firstly click on here and delete your assets like this. So first of all guys, go to add, mesh and use landscape, this one. Yeah, and guys, I changed landscape presets. So see guys, that's my presets. I use this one, river. Yeah, like this. See, right? Okay, so guys, now increase scale size. So press S letter, increase size like this, like scale size, guys, 2 is good. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so now guys, simple, I apply simple material. So click on here, this one, first one, and guys, go to shader editor and create new material like this. Yeah, guys, I have some material. So select this material, tap and press Ctrl Alt and T. Yeah, so go to desktop. See guys, that's my ground texture. So guys, select your all texture, this one, and import. Yeah, and click on here. Yeah, see guys, right? Okay, but guys, see, that's not looking so good. Now I change UV. So click on here, UV editor. Yes, and guys, press U and unwrap. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple UV. So go to layout mode and yeah, see, it's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, I also change mapping scale size, this one, scale size like 5 by 5. Yeah, much better. Okay, so guys, now second one, I create material for this water. So create new material. Yeah, and now guys, go to add and use bump, select bump. Yeah, and guys, select your bump and connect with normal like this. So next one, guys, use color ramp, and this color ramp connect with height. Yes, and next one, guys, use noise texture. So guys, select your night texture, connect with face. Yeah, and guys, see, that's my scale size. I like 20 and 10. Yeah, see guys, that's my water effect, water material. Okay, so guys, now you can also change color, base color. I like 0.5, like water. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple water effect, right? So select your plane and little bit up. Yeah, really good, right? Okay, so see guys, that's my simple material. And now guys, I apply tree. So go to add and curve and use spline tree, this one. Yeah, that's my tree, and change some setting. So guys, load presets, I change Japanese maple. I like this one. Yeah, and guys, band setting. Yeah, guys, see, that's my leaf. I like 4, and base plate, I like 0 is good. I don't need anything. And guys, take 0. Yeah, and split base, guys, I like 1 is good. Yeah, so guys, rotate like this. Yeah, it's really good, right? And press F9. Guys, I apply leaves. So go to on here, leaves, and show leaf check. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful tree, right? It's really good. Okay, so now guys, select your tree. So selection and press scale tool, S letter like this. Yeah, guys, go to on here and yeah, right. Okay, so guys, I apply camera, and camera go to back, up. That's my camera. So select your camera, guys, rotation 90 and all 0 and press 0. And yeah, guys, set your camera angle. So go to back like this. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, now I apply more trees. So select trees and go on here, apply randomly and little bit down and duplicate like this. Guys, rotation change randomly. Yeah. Okay, so guys, select your tree and duplicate, Control C and V, and change also position. Go to camera. Yeah, right, it's really good. And one more time, duplicate. Yeah, right. So guys, select this one, right side tree, and same, duplicate, go to front, and one more time, duplicate and go to frame, camera, go to up. Yeah, it's really good. So guys, I apply more trees. So duplicate and go on here. Guys, scale size change like this and position change. Go to up. Yeah, really good. And guys, last one. Yes. See guys, that's my beautiful composition. And press 0. Yeah. See guys, it's really good. Okay, so guys, now I apply 3D character model. Guys, I have 3D character model. So go to here and change scale size 0.1. Yeah. See guys, it's really good. And press scale size. Yeah. So go to on here and camera and up like this and rotate your 3 character, and guys, rotate 100 is good, and enter. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select your character and scale size change. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, so guys, now I apply some shape for my lighting and use cube, simple cube. Yeah, and guys, scale size change like this. Yeah, and go on here, guys. Now depth, this one, go to on here, this one, my cube, depth change, I like 0.01. Yes, and go to camera, press 0. Yeah, that's my shape. Okay, so guys, second one, I apply this time this one, cylinder. Yeah, and guys, see, that's my segments. So segments increase, I like 100 for more smoothness, right? And guys, see, that's my depth change. Okay, so guys, I will change. So rotate your object, this one, rotate, same 90. Yeah, and guys, change scale size. So S letter. Yeah, go to on up. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, same depth decrease, this one, select cylinder, and scale size, this one, depth decrease, like same 0.01. Yeah, right, and go to camera. Yeah, okay, see guys, that's my simple shape. Okay, so guys, last one I apply this time again, like cylinder is good, and guys, rotate. Okay, so guys, this time vertical, I like 3, and rotate your object, same 90. Yeah, and go to up and scale size change, go to up and alignment. Yeah, see guys, that's my shapes. So same, select your shape, this one, made one, and go to decrease, same 0.01, and go to camera. Yeah, see guys, that's really good. And guys, alignment on mid. Yeah, okay, see guys, that's my beautiful composition. And now I apply simple material. So select the shape and create new material. Guys, use animation and color. I use orange color 0.025. That's my color code. And guys, S letter I like 1. Yes, guys, see, that's my strength I like, guys, increase 1000. Okay, so guys, I change material. Guys, material name, use shape. Yeah, okay, so guys, save your project. So go to desktop. Yeah, and guys, render preview. So guys, I change render setting. Render engine I use cycle, and support is good. Guys, CPU take GPU. And guys, see, that's my render. Guys, render I like 512, and viewport I like 256 is good. Yeah, and guys, see, that's my denoise. And render check. Guys, open image denoise check. Yeah, that's my noise cancelling option. Okay, so guys, it's really good. Now guys, I apply fog effect. So guys, for fog, go to here and use word. Yes, see guys, that's my background. And go to add, use volume scatter, this one. And guys, connect with volume like this. So go to render, that's my render preview. Okay, see guys, that's my denoising. And guys, density I like 0.1. Yes, right, see. Okay, so guys, go to shape, material, so decrease like 500, strength 500. And guys, I apply more shape material, so go to made one. And guys, same, apply shape. Yeah, and guys, curve, this one, made third one shape, and apply. Yeah, and guys, now I change color. Guys, color, this one I like jet black. Yes. Okay, so now guys, I change this one shape, light color strength like 100. Yeah, it's good. And guys, more, change half, 50. Okay, so also guys, now I apply top light. So go to on here, run preview. So guys, use simple area light. So go to light and use area light. And guys, go to up. That's my top light. Yeah, and up. Yeah, okay, so guys, go to light and light strength like 500. And color, guys, I use blue color 0.6 and take 1. Yes, and go to camera and again render preview. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so guys, now if you want to create more foggy effect, so you can increase volume scatter density like 0.5 and enter. Yeah, see guys, that's my really cool fog effect. Guys, it take little bit time for rendering. Okay, so next one guys, I create more light for my left side and right side. So camera uncheck, and guys, select your light, this one, top area light, and duplicate. So select your light and change position. Go to on left side. So change minus 90. Yeah. And go to camera. Press 0. Yes. And little bit back. Yeah. Okay. So guys, again, one more time, copy this light and rotate. Go to rotation. This one, light 3. So rotate like this, same 90. Yeah, right, it's good. So guys, render preview. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful night view scene, forest night view scene, right? So guys, go to render setting. Yeah, all render setting is good. And guys, this time go to render and render image check. Guys, I change size, so simple for fast rendering, 1280 by 720 for fast rendering. So go to render and render image check. Okay, see guys, that's my beautiful render. Yeah, it's really beautiful. My night view scene, right? Okay, so guys, close your render and go to compositing. And guys, use node check. Guys, I apply simple glow effect. So guys, go to add, use glare and image connect with this one. And second one, I use viewer node. So select and connect with image, this one. Yeah. Okay, so guys, so fog effect and use high and size I use 9 and go to render. So viewer node check. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful effect. It's my new style of night forest scene, right? Okay, so guys, last one, I apply some shiny effect for my this one foreground. So layout and guys, go to here and guys, change object. So see guys, that's my this one. So metallic I like 0.5. Yeah, and for shiny and 0.5. Yeah, this one is good. Okay, so guys, my final render is finished. Now you can take one more image. So guys, that's it. That's my final view effect. So guys, if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.